Hi, from Michelle at Verity Restoration in Portland, Oregon, and today I'm going to talk about some of the recent Oregon asbestos law updates. So the first requirement that's new and changed a bit is residential renovation now has to have an asbestos survey if it is constructed prior to 2004. Um, with one exception, owner occupants aren't required to have a survey done. Although the dump still requires that you have a survey and paperwork when you go to dispose of the materials. So you might run into trouble there, even though technically there's an exception. Knowing the health risks of asbestos, we also certainly don't recommend handling that yourself. New requirement number 2, the non-friable asbestos, meaning that it is not very breakable. It doesn't break into 4 pieces. As you're doing demolition, it still has to be packaged the same way as the friable waste does now. So if you're taking it out yourself as a homeowner, there's a very specific set of requirements how it's to be bagged up and where it has to be taken. The third requirement is that asbestos testing labs now have to be nationally accredited. And the fourth requirement is that the state of Oregon now has a set standard for asbestos survey reports. It used to be only a federal suggestion, and now there's actually Oregon state mandated things that would be on that survey. So a survey is the paperwork that gets done after an accredited inspector comes in and does the testing, and then from there they'll put together your survey, and that survey is what needs to be on site during the demolition, and then it will get turned in as part of the paperwork as you go and take those materials to the dump.